Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to quickly talk about what I feel is Bambu Lab's big problem. I was over at their website most of this week and part of last week, checking out the Black Friday deals, and I wanted to make a purchase and I noticed something. So let's go down their lineup, and of course they've got Black Friday sales going on right now. And of course they just announced the H2C. It's not surprising, I mean, the thing just launched and we weren't able to get it here in the US for a little while. But if you look at the H2C AMS combo, it's available for pre-order now. It says it just ships around December 18th, which is, okay, normal. And if you want the full laser combo, you can get that. Ships around December 12th. That's their flagship printer. Brand new, expected to be a little bit delayed. Well, let's look at the P2S. That's also a newer printer. If you want to get the P2S combo right now, it's $799. Not much of a discount, if anything, and you can pick up the P2S for $549. So that's all well and good. Okay, H2S. Well, that one, it's been around for a while. It wasn't available here in the US again, but if you want to just get the H2S, back ordered, ships January 29th. The full laser combo, you can get that one now, but the AMS combo, back order, December 21st. H2D, that printer has been around for quite a while. If you want to get just the H2D, you can buy it, $1749. Full laser combo, you can buy that one too. But the H2D with the AMS, back order, December 16th. P1S, that thing's been around forever too. And the price is pretty low right now, so I'm sure they've sold a lot, and that's probably been pushing, a low inventory. P1S, back ordered, ships around December 30th. P1S combo, back ordered, December 28th. P1S with the AMS2 combo, back ordered, ships around December 28th. What about their bed slingers? Those things have been around for years. The A1 combo, back ordered, December 21st. The A1 you can get without any multicolor filament. And then finally the A1 Mini. You can pick up the A1 Mini combo right now, and you can also get the A1. So if you look at that entire list, if you want to get a Bambu Lab printer with multicolor capability, you can get the A1 Mini, the P2S combo, or the H2S laser. Everything else is back ordered, and you may or may not be able to get it by Christmas or by the end of the year. What started me down this road is I've got an A1, and I thought, you know what? It's Black Friday. I want to take advantage of the sales. I am going to just pick up an AMS2 Pro and either use it on the A1 that I have, or maybe I'll put it on the P1S, then move my older AMS to the A1. So I go to their website. Initially, I was looking at the AMS2 Pro combo for the A1 series, and it was out of stock. It said notify me when available. This was last Friday. So I did that. Saturday evening, I get an email. I didn't see it right away. About 40 minutes later, I come to the site. Sold out again. But they had the AMS2 Pro, and it's on sale for $279. So I thought, great, I'm going to get one. And then I thought, hey, I've got Maker World points. Let me cash in a couple of those cards. I'll be able to save some money. So I did that. Of course, you have to wait for those to get verified. By the time I came back, I think maybe Sunday or Monday, the AMS2 Pro is sold out. Available in February. If you want an AMS2 Pro, it is not going to be available until February. So do you see the trend here? Most of these printers that have the AMS2 Pro are not available. So yeah, I know, I'm sure the tariffs probably have something to do with this. And if you've ever had a Bambu Lab printer that comes with an AMS, that thing's packed well inside there. So those are put in there at the factory, boxed up. It's not like they throw one in there when you decide to buy a combo. So the reason I bring this up is if you are looking to get into this ecosystem, maybe your kid wanted a printer for Christmas and all your friends are telling you to buy a Bambu, or you're like me and you have multiple Bambu Lab printers, which I've paid for by myself, and I just wanted to add more equipment. I run a small business. I wanted to pick that up. It could have been a tax write-off, but now I can't take advantage of this sale. You may start looking at the competition. If we look at Anycubic, I just did a review on that one. It's a solid printer. It is $429 for the Cobra S1 combo, so you can get multicolor printing. It's not the same as Bambu, but it will do the job. And, it's a fine printer. You may want to go that route. Everybody's been asking for a bigger build volume on these printers. Anycubic has announced the Cobra S1 Max combo with a new Ace Pro, or Ace 2 Pro. Fixes a lot of the issues, the old ones, or at least we hope it does. Now that one's not available until February, most likely. You can see that shipping info down here. So February to March. So that is another pre-order, but again, maybe instead of going the Bambu route, you're going to go this route. Or the FlashForge, the 85X. I also just reviewed that printer. That's a great little printer. That is Black Friday sale, $60 off. So you're going to be paying $340 for that printer. So yeah, it's very interesting that the AMS2 Pro combo is really in short supply, or I should say the AMS2 is in short supply. And who knows when you're going to be able to pick one of those up again. Let me know what you think. I'd be curious to hear everybody's thoughts on this. If you've run into an issue, or, I understand it's not like the days of old when Black Friday was Black Friday and all the sales started today. These things have been going on since probably the beginning of November. So maybe I'm just late to the game, but this is traditionally the time when a lot of people, they've gotten past Thanksgiving here in the U.S. They can finally focus a little bit on Christmas and start, putting that money to work and making some purchases. But if you are hoping to make Black Friday purchases today in the Bambu Lab ecosystem, you're going to be severely limited. So again, let me know what you think. I would appreciate it if you haven't already done so to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know when I drop new content. As always, I enjoy spending time with you all here on the channel. Let's keep on learning, burning, printing, and growing together. Take care, everyone.